Rock, scissors, shoot! There we go. I beat you again. You won again? Yeah. I know, I keep winning. Because I'm the best. Whoa! Boris, are you okay? Yeah, it doesn't take a minute. Yeah. What was that, Boris? Oh, you mean my hiccups? Oh, it's okay. The time we get there, it'll be gone. Mistake. Wrong. That would be a mistake. Because hiccups are bad news for, like, animatronics and cartoon characters like us. What do you mean? It's just a hiccup. What's it gonna do? Kill me? Is it gonna come out on me and kill me with a knife? It can't do that, but it can kill you another way. What? I'll tell you the story about the boy. The boy who had the hiccups. So it all started when we were walking down the street. He got the hiccups. He tried everything he could to get rid of them, but he couldn't. And then one day the hiccups got faster. And then when it got really fast, and then one day he popped, and it was a heck of gears to clean up and ink. So you're gonna keep trying to get rid of the hiccups. Just make sure they get rid of the hiccups some way. That's not gonna get rid of the hiccups. It's gonna get the hiccups really messed up. What the flump is going on in here, guys? Hey, Boris has the hiccups, and I told him the story about that person who had the hiccups and it exploded. Bonnie, what did I tell you about telling that to other people? Oh, sorry, Freddy. It's just what I want to warn them. It's okay, but we're gonna get rid of his hiccup. Just go take a nap. Hopefully that works. Okay. Later that evening. It worked! I can finally. Oh! This has to go now. My hiccups can't stay here forever. My hiccups can't. Oh, my face! What do I do? Where's my pizza? Oh, you stole it! Ah! I need to go find my pizza now! Whoa, Boris, what happened? I thought I didn't see that. Oh, my face. Oh, come on, I gotta drag you over here. You know I don't like getting dragged, right? Just don't care. This is our only hope to get you. my head. Why does Chica always do this when people steal her pizza? It's really annoying. Well, you should be thanking Chica because she got rid of your hiccups. I don't think you can hear one. Oh. Thanks, Chica, even though you just hit me in the face. Ugh. Can we finally go? Can we go to the theme park now? Because that was what I was thinking when I got the hiccups. Oh, we're gonna go to... Oh, yeah, we can go to the theme park now that your hiccups are gone. Alright, let's go. Oh, let's go then.